Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Excel 2021 in practice chapter 3 advanced project 3 to 7. So if you want to complete similar project Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee you are 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So Excel 2021 in practice chapter 3 advanced project 3 to 7, we move to the main project steps. So total step is 17. We move to the question number 1. So question number 1 is open the central Sierra 3, start a file. If the workbook, open the protected view, click enable editing button so you can modify. The file will be renamed automatically. Include your name and change the project file name. Directed to do so by your instructor and save it. So click the start files, go to the downloads and open the Excel files. And click the enable editing. So next, the file will be renamed automatically. Include your name and change the project file name. To do so, structure and save it. So I have already downloaded the Excel files, and next we move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is unhide the chart on the personal line worksheet. So unhide the chart on the personal line worksheets. Select the personal line worksheets and next unhide the chart. So go to the home tabs and go to the editing groups and click the selection pane and unhide the chart. Hide the chart on the personal line worksheet. So question number 2 is complete. And we move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is insert a row at 8, motorcycle 15, 82 and 24. So insert the row 8, right click and click insert. So insert the row 8. So insert the new row 8 and type the motorcycle. Select the cell 8 and press enter and next and 15. So next in cell 15, select the AGP 15 and press tab button. And next 82. Select the C-gate and press tab buttons and 24. 24 in cell D8 and press enter. So question number 3 is complete. And we move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is added the source data to add the motorcycle data to the chart. So next edit the source data to add the motorcycle data to the charts. So go to the chart design tabs and click the select data and select the D7 to D8 A5 to D8 and A9 to D10 and click OK. So question number 4 is complete and we move to the question number 5. So we move to the question number 5. Question number 5 is switch the row and column data for the column chart. So next switch the row and column data for the column chart. Go to the chart design tabs and go to the data groups and click the switch row and column. So question number 5 is complete and we move to the question number 6. So question number 6 is change the chart color scheme to monochromatic plate 7. So next change the chart color scheme monochromatic plate 7. Go to the chart design tabs and click the change of color monochromatic plate 7 and click OK. Chromatic plate 7. So next we move to the question number 7. So question number 7 is format the chart elements and select the side wall of the column chart and olive green accent 3 lighter 60% shape fill 7 column. So next select the side wall. So go to the chart design tabs and side walls and select the side wall of the column chart. Right click and click the format tabs, and next select the sidewall, format tab, and select the sidewall. Click OK, and shape fill is olive green accent 3 lighter 60%. Shape fill olive green accent 3 lighter 60%. Olive green accent 3 lighter 60% shape colors. Add the linear down gradients to the sidewalls. Linear down gradients. Okay, linear down. Gradient to sidewalls. And next apply the same fill gradient walls to the wall element. Click the wall element. Wall element, and select the flow element is the wall element. So I have done the assignments, bubble charts, and select the personal line worksheets. So upload the assignments and check the score. Upload and save your project files. So click the file and click save as. Click save and click close. So upload my files. Click open. So upload the assignments and check the score. Yes, submit the files. So you can see the current score is 100%. In Excel 2021 in practice chapter 3 advanced project 3 to 7 current score is 100%. So if you want to complete similar project Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee your 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. Excel 2021 in practice chapter 3 advanced project 3 to 7.